What's going on, guys? Today a nice quick video about replacing your signal light multifunction switch on your Jeep JK. So it's a good time to mention that this is pretty much the most common solution to your signal lights not staying on when you flick the lever. It just comes back to place. You need to know whether you have fog lights or not. This is the fog light style. There we go. Where it pops out. Has a little fog light thing there. Excuse the paint pen on my hand. So once you figure out which switch you need and you order it and it shows up, you need 3 tools. So the only tools you're going to need for this is going to be a Phillips screwdriver as well as a Torx wrench of some sort. Socket, bit, doesn't matter. That's pretty much it. So on the lower shroud, you're going to have a Torx in the middle and 2 Phillips screws. The Torx is a T20 and those 2 longer Phillips up here. Once you get that done, you can just lower down your steering wheel, pop the top cover off, and you can basically slide this out the bottom. You do have clips along the side, and then to get your actual multi-function switch out of place, you have a single Phillips there, as well as 2 harnesses that you have to unplug. The other one's hiding somewhere in there. I promise you there's 2. There we go. Those 2 here, super easy to disconnect. Just got little push tabs on them. So you take your new multi-function switch, slap it in, put the 1 Phillips in. Honestly, the hardest part is going to be aligning the shroud and getting all these little tabs into place, but once you do that, you'll have a fully functional multi-function switch. That easy, guys. Literally 5 minutes of work. This really couldn't be any easier. Basic hand tools, nice and easy. I hope this helps somebody out there figure out their multi-function switch, get their Jeep going back on the road. Thanks for watching.